Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you dear subscriber and my all viewers? Please subscribe my channel. Get ready to elevate your style game with the most iconic and edge please. Let's off to clothing the latex leather jacket from runways off to street style this season. Hottest trend is all about embracing the bold and the daring. Pair your latex leather jacket with a sleek pair of trousers and a crisp white shirt from a look that's equal parts sophisticated and rebellious. Or take it up a notch with a bold graphic tee and distressed denim jeans. A night out look that's sure to turn heads. Whether you are a fashionista or a rebel at heart, the latex leather jacket is the perfect additional to your wardrobe. So wait, get ready to unleash your inner fashion icon with the hottest latex leather jacket outfits of the session. Unleash your inner rock star with the most iconic and edgy piece of clothing, the latex leather jacket. From biker gangs to fashion runways this season, hottest trend is all about embracing the bold and the daring. Take your style to the next level with the ultimate fashion statement, the latex leather jacket. The sleek and edge piece is perfect for any occasion, whether you are dressing up or dressing down. Pair it with a crisp white shirt and trouser for a sophisticated look, or with a bold graphic tee and distressed denim for a rebellious edge. Whether your style with the latex leather jacket is the perfect addition to your wardrobe. So wait, elevate your fashion game with the latex leather jacket and make a statement. Let me know if you need any motivation. Dive into the world of latex leather jacket where fashion meets edge. This season hottest trend is all about making a statement, and what better way to do that than with the latex leather jacket. From sleek, sophisticated to bold and daring, we've got the perfect outfit ideas to make you stand out from the crowd. Pair your latex leather jacket with distressed denim jeans and a crisp white shirt for a look that's equal parts to and style. I will take it up a notch with a bold graphic tee and sleek black trouser for a night out look that's sure to turn heads. Whether your style, we've got the perfect latest leather jacket outfit to match. So wait, get ready to your fashion game to the next level with the hottest latest leather jacket outfits of the season. Imagine yourself walking down the streets of Tokyo, New York, London, Paris, Milan, Berlin, Sydney, Melbourne, or Germany, Spain, turning heads, making a statement. Our latest leather jacket. Thanks for watching.